2 finely chopped cloves of garlic, some chili flakes, 250 grams of pork mince, 150 gram of udon noodles, some butter, sesame seeds, 50 grams of oyster sauce, a squeeze of lemon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. In heated pan, I am adding some vegetable oil. I am using sesame oil. You can use any sorts of vegetable oil such as olive oil. Now we have to add the veggies. So now the oil is heated and I will be adding the veggies. The zucchini, the carrot, garlic, and the chili flakes. And give it a good mix. Now let the veggies cook for 4 to 5 minutes until going to boil the noodles in boiling hot water for 3 to 4 minutes until tender. While the veggies are cooking, in a bowl add the soy sauce, the brown sugar, the squeeze of lemon, then the oyster sauce.